Ever wondered how metformin works wonders for diabetics? In this video, you'll discover its uses, side effects, and how to take it correctly. Metformin hydrochloride is primarily prescribed for type 2 diabetes. It helps control blood sugar levels. People also use it for polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS. This drug reduces glucose production in the liver, and it improves insulin sensitivity. Common side effects include nausea and diarrhea. Some may experience stomach cramps. A rare but serious side effect is lactic acidosis. Always take metformin as your doctor prescribes. Usually, it's taken with meals. This minimizes stomach upset. Start with a low dose. Gradually increase it as advised. Stay hydrated while on this medication. Don't forget your regular blood tests. Like what you see. Subscribe for more health tips.